This time we are going to Mostar, Bosnia and Herzegovina. We will visit Stari Most, the beautiful and historic bridge. Follow the flow of the river Neretva waters, and realize the diverse nature of its history and people. Mostar is a city in the administrative center of Neretva canton of the Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina, and the former capital of Herzegovina. The city is situated on the banks of the river Neretva, and with a population of 114,000 is the fifth largest city in the country. Its name derived from the bridge keepers, Mostari, who guarded the bridge during the Ottoman era. Stari Most, also known as Mostar Bridge, is a rebuilt 16th century Ottoman bridge that connects the two parts of the city. The bridge is considered an exemplary piece of Balkan Islamic architecture. It was commissioned by Suleiman the Magnificent in 1557, and was made possible with the designs of Mimar Hayreddin. Hayreddin was a student and apprentice of Mimar Sinan, the famous architect who built many landmarks in the Ottoman Empire. The old bridge was tragically destroyed during the Bosnian War of 1993, as it was used as a military supply line. On November 9, 1993, Stari Most collapsed due to shelling by the Croatian Defense Council. The destruction of this iconic landmark emphasized the conflict's devastating impact on cultural heritage and communities. 2,000 people lost their lives and many more lost their homes during the city's siege. The reconstruction of the bridge, funded by UNESCO, the EU, Spain, USA, Turkey, Italy, the Netherlands and Croatia, became a powerful symbol of unity and resilience, signifying the hope for reconciliation and healing of the region. The current bridge, which was inaugurated on July 23, 2004, is as similar as possible to the original, using the same technology, and parts of the original bridge recovered from the river below. The natural beauty that surrounds Mostar is enchanting. The Neretva provides a tranquil backdrop against which Mostar's architectural wonders shine. The turquoise waters reflect the warm hues of the stone buildings, creating a stunning contrast. Wander around the old town on cobblestone streets, lined with Ottoman, Mediterranean and Western European architectural features. A testimony of a multicultural urban settlement that transports you to a bygone era. The Neretva gracefully winds its way through the city, creating paths of water that we will follow to lead us to the waterfall of Kravica, a large tufa cascade, 40 kilometers south of Mostar. With a height of 25 meters and a large lake located to its basin which is suitable to bathe in, it is undeniably one of the top attractions in the area. I was mesmerized by the beauty of the waterfalls, and you can watch more footage at the special episode of the Endless Tour that has appeared on the upper right corner of the screen. Mostar is a city nestled within the picturesque landscape of Bosnia and Herzegovina. Its beauty has captured the hearts of travelers, historians and international institutions. With an iconic bridge that stood strong for centuries, until the devastating conflict of 1993 that led to its destruction. Mostar is a somber reminder of the destructive nature of war and the importance of preserving cultural legacies in times of conflict. The city's ability to rebuild after adversity, its harmonious blend of cultures and its magnetic charm stands as a testament to the power of human resilience. And a symbol of the determination we should all have to heal, rebuild, and to keep lit the light in our souls. Mostar showed me it's so much more than its iconic bridge that physically connects the two parts of the city. It proved to me the indomitable spirit of the people, the need for international cooperation to bridge the gaps between diverse cultural, ethnic and religious communities, and the enduring beauty that arises from the confluence of history and artistry. Thank you for traveling with me in the Endless Tour. Like and comment on this video, share Mostar with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Watch more from the Endless Tour, here.